You're told just be more disciplined to build habits. That's the biggest lie holding you back. Gritting your teeth, white-knuckling through every single day, that's not building habits. That's just self-torture. And it almost never works long-term. Relying on sheer willpower, it's like trying to hold your breath indefinitely. Eventually you gasp, you skip that workout, you eat that junk, you fall back into the same old patterns, feeling like a failure. Why? Because discipline is a finite resource. It runs out. But what if there was a way to make good habits almost effortless? There is. You don't need more discipline. You need this one shift. And it's not about forcing actions. It's about forging identity. Stop asking, what do I need to do today? Start asking, who do I want to be? A person trying to quit smoking fights cravings constantly. A non-smoker, the option barely registers. Someone forcing themselves to go to the gym dreads every rep. Someone who is a healthy person or an athlete sees it as a natural part of their day, an expression of who they are. See the difference? So, how do you make this shift? Every time you choose an action aligned with your desired identity, you cast a vote for becoming that person. Want to be a writer? Write one sentence. That's a vote. Want to be someone who reads more? Read one page. Vote cast. Want to be financially responsible? Skip one impulsive purchase. Vote cast. These aren't just tasks, they're tiny daily affirmations of who you're choosing to become. You're not just doing a habit, you're embodying an identity. The more votes you cast for healthy person, reader, creator, disciplined saver, the stronger that identity becomes. The internal resistance plummets. And this is where the magic happens. When your actions align with your identity, habits stop feeling like a battle. They become a natural extension of who you are. Discipline becomes secondary, a support system, not the main engine, because your identity is doing the heavy lifting. So, forget the discipline lie. You've been trying to push a boulder uphill. Make the shift. Focus on who you want to become. What tiny vote will you cast for your new identity right after watching this? That's not a chore. That's power.